Hello, my name is Ba. Today I will talk about my house. I live in Lakchum Street. My house has 5 levels. Level 1 for rent. We live from level 2 to level 5. I live at level 2 with my mom. There are 3 rooms at my level. 1 bedroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen room, and 2 bathrooms. My favorite room is living room because it is big and I can play football at living room. I usually read book, learn much, and learn English at home. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.